Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the hidden Windows 11 settings to speed up your PC. So to speed up your Windows 11 PC, you can access a number of hidden or lesser known settings that optimize system performance. In today's video, I'm going to show you a guide to help you improve speed and responsiveness. First, you can adjust the Windows 11 PC for best performance because Windows 11 allows you to adjust visual effects to maximize performance. So you can just open the settings on your Windows, tap on Windows plus I on your keyboard. Here, and find the About options. You can scroll down, click on About, and in here, click on the Advanced System Settings. And under the performance under the performance sections in here, you can click on settings, and now you can select adjust for the best performance to turn off all visual effects. This one, so it's already there. Alternatively, you can also choose custom to keep only the effects you prefer. I'm going to just go with this. And now you can turn off startup programs. So disabling unnecessary startup programs can boost your system boot time and overall performance. So you can just click on Control Shift plus S on your keyboard to open the Task Manager and go to the Startup tab. This one. And in here, you can disable any unnecessary programs by right-clicking and selecting Disable. For example, I'm going to disable the Xbox. Okay, it's already enabled. Okay, this one, disable. And after that, you can restart your PC to apply the changes. You can also use the storage sense features. Storage sense automatically free up space by cleaning temporary files and content that's no longer needed. You can go to the system again in here, find storage, scroll down and click on the storage sense. So you need to turn on the storage sense to let Windows automatically manage space and adjust the frequency and types of files to be cleaned. You can also disable the background apps because some apps run in the background and consume resources. You can disable them to free up some system resources. You can go to the settings and find privacy and security and choose background apps. And in here, you can just toggle off any apps that don't need to run in the background. You can also turn off the transparency effects because transparency effect in Windows 11 can slow down performance, especially on older hardware. You can go to the settings, personalization, and choose color. And scroll down in here, and here you can turn off the transparency effects. You can also enable the high performance power plan. So switching to the high performance power plan ensure your system is prioritizing performance over energy saving. You can open this system again in here on settings and find power and battery and scroll down until you find the additional power settings. And you can just select high performance if available. If not, click show additional plans to set. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.